Today is really Friday, and we are going to take a look at selling or buying opportunities on the stock market. Tesla is down $3.31. That's 1.85%, close at 175.34. Let's take a look at what this means on the chart. So we are barely bouncing on our support at 179 at 174.89. This is that we had February 5th. This is not an invented number. This is where we stopped February 5th, where the buyers came back in and propped Tesla up from 174.89 up to 200, and history repeats itself. This is why we are doing these horizontal lines, because a stock stops at the same prices that it stopped in the past. So 174.89 is the number to remember. So if we start breaking lower than that number, then the next stop should be 155.46. And in terms of indicators, stochastic is abysmal. We have a stochastic at 5. We have MACD that broke over bearish. We have the RSI that's pretty much in the tank. So nothing's good for Tesla. The only thing that remains is that support at 174.89. Once it's gone, then we should be dropping further down. Let's take a look at the VIX. And so this VIX is causing a problem. So we have a VIX that was up by 2% at 1473, close to breaking 1485. If we break 1485, then this is going to be further problems for us. US bonds falling down, US dollar also falling down. Let's take a look at the stock indices. So Dow Jones is no longer into its bullish channel that we were in not too long ago. So now we are going sideways. Once we break 38,332, this thing is going down to 37,787. S&P 500 represented by SPX. This one is better. This is just into its bullish channel. It's still into its bullish channel. Nasdaq outside of the bullish channel. So we are zigzagging a little bit, outside, inside. But this is looking more and more that we want to pause a little bit, because you see, we are having pretty much the same top right here at 18,336. We have a top. So this is where we are right now. Let's take a look at the Magnificent Seven and some other interesting stocks. Apple had a move up today, tried to go higher today, was squished down. This is what this big long wick means. Tried but failed. If we go in the 1 hour chart, we see it tried and failed. So this is not looking super good. Amazon going sideways. AMD, another one, tried but failed to go higher. So we should think about that. ARM into its congestion zone. Yes, we have a divided congestion zone. Sometimes we tend to track higher than 130, and sometimes we don't. Google tried and was pushed down. You see this? Microsoft going sideways. Meta, a little bit of a down day. NVIDIA, wow, look at this. Look at the volume on this one. 112 million shares that were exchanged. So we are seeing some change in direction a little bit. Palantir coming down after the break we had on 25.52. And since SMCI also tried something today, was pushed down in a lesser matter. Let's take a look at our EV stocks. BYD coming down. Lucid just going sideways. New battery material still moving up 3%. But this one is going to have to prove itself to us a little bit better than that. Neo just going sideways. Novartis, not too bad, still into its bullish channel. So as long as we remain above 231, we are okay. Xpeng going sideways. Rivian, we had a nice move yesterday. Now we are pulling back down a little bit. We are still above 1220. So the buy signal that we got yesterday is still valid. Well, it's not really a buy signal because we did not have stochastic over 60. So, it's a weak buy signal. Bitcoin climbing higher. So we just closed above 67,280. And I'm following this Baito thing. This is a Bitcoin ETF. So, if you want to play Bitcoin with some of your RSP cash, you can buy this thing. XRP was going sideways. Gold continuing higher and higher. Very strong gold. We had the buy right here on March 1st when we broke 1611, and it has been going super high ever since. Silver, a little bit of the same thing. When we broke $8, this was our signal. It's not doing as gold, but it's not too bad. Things are not looking super, super good, but what can we do? Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk on Monday, unless you are a member, in which case we are also going to talk on Sunday. So have a great weekend, and I'm going to tell you